Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're seeing what's new, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. New button down shirt from Free Assembly. So this one has that ruffled neckline, full button, the smocking on the wrist, it scoops in the middle with the same kind of fit through the back. This one comes in the blue with the embroidered polka dots, also white with the polka dots, and they are $24. Also new are these slim fit cardigans from Free Assembly. So these have that crew neckline, it has a little bit of a drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, the ribbed bottom, full functioning buttons, and then that same fit through the back. They are $20. Also seeing new colors in the lady cardigan from Free Assembly. So this one has the gold hardware, 2 fake pockets, 2 front functioning pockets, ribbed wrist, the ribbed bottom. This one is $28, so it comes in the white and then also this blue and white print. New button-down shirt dress from Free Assembly. So now we saw this print in some other pieces. It has the smaller collar, full functioning button detail on the wrist. It does have some gathering. It kind of flows out at the bottom, but then it also has this belt to bring it in. And then the same fit through the back with that seam detailing going across. And this one is $28. Also new denim from Free Assembly. So this one looks like a high rise. It has this same detailing with the cuffed bottom. It is that darker wash with pockets on the back. It says mid-rise cropped leg, and these are $29. Also new skinny jeans from Jessica Simpson. So these are a high rise. It's a nice thinner stretchy denim with their whiskering and fading through the leg. Skinny at the bottom, and then that same fit through the back. And they're $22.50. New dress from Free Assembly. So this one has that ruffled neckline, full button, has this smocking on the wrist, a belt. It's a flowy skirt. It has that same embroidering as we saw in the top option. And then the same fit through the back. This one is $34. New long sleeve square neck tops from Madden NYC. So these have that double kind of smoothing material. It also has the ruching on the side, fitted through the wrist. It is a thong style back in the black, also comes in white, and they're going to be $13. New pieces from Lace. So this is like a barn style jacket. It's made of a French terry material. Has the smaller collar, full button, the 2 front pockets, relaxed through the wrist, really nice length with the seam in the back. In the purple, it's like mauve-y, and then the ivory, and they're going to be $29.98. And then they do have these matching wide leg pants. These are pull-on. They have that elastic waistband, side pocket, that same kind of French terry material, seam detailing through the front, and then pockets on the back. $24.98 in those 2 colors, the purple and ivory, and then they also both come in the black. New color on the rib top from Scoop. So this one has the higher neckline, fitted through the body. It has the longer sleeve, same through the back, and the ivory also comes in green. It's like a hunter green color, and the black, and they're going to be $24. And then also seeing a new denim skirt from Free Assembly. So this one's a full button. It has that seam detailing, the side pocket. This one's a little shorter than that other option we saw. And then the seam detailing in the back. These are going to be $24. They brought back the pull-on Pawnee pants from Time and True. So these have an elastic waistband. They have the seam detailing. I think that's a new little like touch. And then they have the little slit in the front. And then the same fit through the back. They're going to be, let's see what the price is for this year, $16.98. They have all of the new colors in the long sleeve waffle tops from Time and True. These are such good staples. So they have that crew neckline. It's a little bit more of a relaxed fit. It has the softest rib wrist, and then it scoops on the bottom. In the black, gray, blue, the orchid pink, there's orange, burgundy, blue, green, and oatmeal, and they're only $8.98. We saw the faux leather mini skirts in the last video. Now I'm seeing the matching tops. So these have the thicker strap, that scoop neckline. They are cropped with seam detailing through the front, lined on the inside with the zipper in the back. We also saw this skirt in the brown, and they're going to be $15.50. The matching skirt is $17. New seamless sets from No Boundaries. So these are mock neck, fitted through the wrist. It is cropped through the front. Same kind of fit through the back. And the leggings are high rise. They are that thinner seamless material. It comes in black, there's purple, blue, and burgundy. And the two pieces are $19.98. Really cute new tops from No Boundaries. So these have that elastic around the neckline so you can wear it on or off the shoulder. It is a cap sleeve with the tie detail. Seam detailing through the front, has that same kind of fit through the back. In the ivory, also comes in fuchsia, and they're only $9.98. New mock neck dresses from No Boundaries. So this is a thicker kind of like soft knit material, nothing like I've seen usually from No Boundaries. Has that higher neckline. It's sleeveless, fitted through the body. These do look like they run on the smaller end. This one is the medium. Yeah, I'd probably size up in this. So it comes in the black, also in the gold, and they're only $10. And then I'm also seeing some new colors in this ribbed dress from No Boundaries. So this one has the thin strap, scoop neckline, fitted through the body. It is that longer length, and then it's squared in the back. These are $10. They're so nice for the price. In the red, black, there's the gray and taupe. New colors in the mesh tank from No Boundaries. This one has the thin strap, that V-neck line, the little bow detail with that side seaming. Has the lettuce trim at the bottom. It's squared in the back. They are going to be $7.98. New windbreaker style jackets from Avia. So these are mock neck when it's zipped up all the way. It has these little like buttoned pockets. Relaxed fit, has the elastic on the wrist, that finished hem. And then the hood in the back. Comes in the pink, also in the beige, and these are going to be $29.98. I think these shorts match. So these have an elastic waistband. It's actually a skirt. The cargo style pockets, built-in shorts in this beige color, and they're going to be $16.98. They also have a new style of crew neck sweatshirt and sweatpant from Athletic Works. So these are really soft. That's what they look like on the inside. Definitely don't wait on these, because last year they were my favorite sweatshirts and they sold out before I could even share them. So they're relaxed fit, ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom. I'm pretty sure they have white online. That's the color I got. I got a white and a black. They were my go-tos. They just go with everything, and like perfect if you're in a cooler climate. And then the sweatpants have the elastic waistband. They're a straight leg. In the khaki, they probably also have that color online. Black in both pieces, and then the green, and they're both $9.98. I'm also seeing some more new colors. So this purple is new, and then this blue color. And Avia has a lot of pieces that match back to this. They have leggings that I picked up. I think I picked up one of each, actually, a purple and a blue. So really cute matching sets, and those are like $13 for the leggings, and I'm pretty sure they're like $10 for the shorts. New long sleeve soft tees from Avia. These have that higher neckline, that seam detailing. It's an oversized ribbed wrist. These are really soft. They're lightweight, and then longer length through the front, also in the back. In the light blue, also comes in pink and black. There's also a white, and these are going to be $12.98. They also have the thumb hole on the wrist. Those leggings that match back to those crew neck sweatshirts. So I know I shared these before. These remind me a lot of Lululemon. They have that high rise, fitted through the leg, that seam detailing in the back, in that purple, which goes with that purple sweatshirt. The blue, I think, is like a little bit darker, but I think it would match nicely with the blue. They also have the green. There's taupe and black. And like I said, they're $12.98. Also some new pieces from Reebok. So these are a soft kind of stretch jacket. Has that drop sleeve, the banded wrist, mock neck, hood in the back. And this purple also comes in black. And they're $32. And then to match, they have these sports bras. So they have the scoop neckline, elastic at the bottom, bracer back with the little cutout. Comes in the blue, black, that purple, and then also burgundy. So they probably also have those colors in the jacket. The sports bras are going to be $18. And then to match, they have both a bike short and a legging. So these have that top elastic seam, side pocket, fitted through the leg in the bike shorts. They're going to be $18 in that brown burgundy. There's blue and black. Also that red burgundy. And then the bike shorts or the leggings have the logo through the leg. So, and they also have a logo on the back. And the leggings are going to be $32. Oh no, the leggings are $24 in that purple, black. I think that's the only colors we have here today. New crochet skirts from Time and True. So these are open knit through the whole thing. They have the slit. These are going to be $23.98 in the ivory, and they also come in black. I'm not seeing too many more new things, but they have these pull-on skirts from Terra and Sky. So they have an elastic waistband. They're nice and flowy with the little slit in the black and purple. These are $12.98, and then they also have a print in the leopard and the black floral, and those are also $12.98. They also have in the men's all the really good shackets. So this is such a nice, like, high quality piece from Wrangler. It has that smaller collar, full button, the 2 flat pockets, button on the wrist, seam in the back, and they're $24.98. New matching family pajamas from Way to Celebrate. So these have a crew neckline, the side seam detailing. They're really soft with the banded wrists. The pants have that elastic waistband. I think this is the men's. The adults are $14.98. And they have the goat, also the skeleton, and then the little pumpkins. This is the kids. The kids are $12.98. And then for the babies, they have the little zip up. They usually have dogs too. I think in the other Walmart they had the dogs, but the babies are $11.98. Oh yeah, here's the dog. The dog is $6.98. New satin pajama sets from Joy Spun. So these are nice, lightweight. They have the smaller collar, lapel, full button, relaxed wrist, nice and flowy. And then the pants are pull-on. They are a straight, maybe a wide leg. So they have this black floral print. There's also the leopard. There's a pink and the tigers. And they're $19.98. Lots of new onesie pajamas. So they have these two, or there's 3 license options. There's stitch with the little stitch head. It's a full zip with the kangaroo pocket, elastic bottom with the ribbed wrist. Also the Garfield and the skeleton jack. And these are $22.98. And then from holiday time they have the panda and then also the bear. How cute. And these have the ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom with the kangaroo pocket. And they're going to be $22.98. And then in the license option, they have these little like nightgowns with the matching socks in the Grinch, kangaroo pocket, ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom, also skeleton jack and stitch. And those are $19.98. Oh my goodness, look at all the Way to Celebrate earrings. Little ghost. There's the candy corn, leaves with the pumpkins, and then scarecrows. On this side they have little heart spider webs, a dangly spider webs. The spiders are pretty lightweight. And then how cute are these little like mommy kind of hearts. They have the pumpkin baskets, those glow in the dark. I love this 6-piece set. There's candy corn, a little candy, Bride of Frankenstein, the mummy, and then these little ghost pocketbooks. They have an acrylic little ghost. These are usually another $5. They have this set. I like this set too. They have donuts, candy apples, a little lollipop, candy corn, a pretzel, and then a little cupcake. And then a little love potion, a multi-set. I like the little ghost. Also new quilted sling bag from Reebok. So this one has that front compartment with the zipper, the top zipper, adjustable strap. It's going to be, let's say, $20. And then they have this style. So this one's also quilted, has the zippered strap, zippered front. These are $18 in the ivory and the blue. And then they also have the little quilted waist bags. Those are $14, also from Reebok. And the coral, the material on this one's a little different. The purple and the ivory. New top handle bags from Time and True. So these have the little top handle, the front zipper. These are so cute. They remind me of the little Alma that I have. So they have black and teal. Those are $19.98. They also have new colors in the backpack from Time and True. So this one has that top closure, the drawstring, zippered compartment, front zipper in the black, the red with the brown. They also have this black with the fabric. They're all $28.98. And then they also have in that plush material 2-pack of shorts with skeleton jack. They have the Grinch and Stitch, and these are $12.98. They also have a cow option in the holiday time. New plush pajama pants from Joyce Bun. These have an elastic waistband, drawstring. They're the true jogger bottom. The ribbing, these are really plush. I would say don't size down in these because usually this fabric does take up some room. So get your normal size. In the pink houndstooth, they also have the teal teddy bear. There's this ivory cable knit looking heart. There's the stars and moon. I think they brought that one back. And then also the little brown bears, and these are $9.98. On this side they have a plaid and then a pink and gray plaid, and then the tops to match. So these have that crew neckline, side seam detailing, ribbed wrists, a finished bottom with the little slit. In that pink and white houndstooth, also the pink plaid and then the gray and pink, and those are also $9.98. I'm trying to find some new Terran Sky things. I get so many requests for plus size, so I'm seeing some new blouses. These have that V neckline, mesh, sheer sleeve, elastic on the wrist. It is lined through the body in the purple floral. They also have the leopard. They have this black floral and then a teal, and they are $14.98. I shared the Beetlejuice slippers. Now I'm seeing they have Jack and Sally. So these have the round tail, this oversized little head, and then there's cushion. These are also going to be $18. And then they also have the Stitch and then Angel, and these are also $18. New color in the Mary Jane. So now they have this patent red. How pretty. They have that square toe, the little buckle. These might have been online because I don't see the tag, but these are $12.98. I shared them in the silver, and then they also come in the black. New colors in the platforms from Joyce Bun. So these have that round toe. It is genuine suede with this plush faux fur. Has the foam bottom in the chestnut, now in this ivory color. I'm pretty sure all colors are available online right now, and they're $18.98. Also new slippers from Deer Foam. So this is the moccasin style. It has the knit plush inside. These are $16. And then also from Deer Foams, they have these little clog style. So these are chenille with the plush trim, rubbered bottom, and these are $14. But I'm gonna end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.